Have a good day everyone. Today we will see how to do dimension styles export and import in AutoCAD. Okay, let's see. First go drawing units. Drawing units, set millimeters. Okay. Now go dimension style manager, enter. Dimension styles mm1 and mm2 are there. Okay, close. Now go express tools, dimension panel, export style, export file name, type dim style, go browse. No, export file will be saved in document folder. Okay, close. Now select dimensions mm1 and mm2, text style name only. Okay, now go new drawing file, SAD, open, go drawing units, enter, unit set millimeters. Okay, go dimensions panel, import style, go browse, document folder, dim style, open. Okay, now go dimension style manager, enter mm1 mm2. Okay, close. Now go annotate, dimension style, set current mm1 linear, dimension style, set mm2 linear. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.